Hello viewers, this is the science program for 10 to 12 years children. In episode 1, explain about air has weight and air occupies space. Second activity, explain about air exert pressure. Now this third activity, explain about air expands on heating.
Air expands on heating. Why does this happen? It is because the particle of air becoming warm move away from each other and take up more space. So we can say that air on becoming hot occupies more space. Since the particle move away from each other, the air become less dense and lighter in weight. As a result, warm air rises upon cooling. The particles of air come closer to each other. Due to this, the volume of air become less, the air become more dense, and this can be demonstrated by a simple activity.
Air expands on heating. During summer, the hot air in the tubes expands, which might result in the bursting of the tubes. Why the air expands? You know that the gaseous molecules are not strongly bonded to each other. Heating causes the air molecules to move faster. As a result, the distance between them increases. So, air expands on heating. Activity to understand the air expands on heating. Take a boiling tube, test tube, and two beakers. One containing hot water and another one is containing cold water. Stretch the balloon tightly over the neck of the test tube. You can use the tape to tie the balloon. Place the test tube in hot water beaker. See whether there is any change in the shape of a balloon. Yes, it is getting inflated. It expands because of the air inside the test tube. There are small space inside the balloon, so the air expands. Take out the test tube from the hot water and place it inside the cold water. Observe the change in the shape of the balloon. You will know that the shape of the air contracts due to cooling. Thus, low pressure area is created inside the balloon. Therefore, the balloon size is reduced.
Dear children, it's question time. First one, what is air? And second one, what is atmosphere? And third one, what is wind?
அன்பார்ந்த மாணவ செல்வங்களே, இந்த எபிசோடு மூலமாக காற்றில் உள்ள மூலக்கூறுகள் வெப்பமடையும் பொழுது விரிவடைகிறது என்றும் குளிர்ச்சி அடையும் பொழுது சுருங்குகிறது என்பதையும் நன்கு தெரிந்து கொண்டிருப்பீர்கள் என்பதை நாங்கள் நம்புகிறோம். இனி அடுத்த எபிசோடில் காற்றின் வேறொரு பண்பை செயல்பாட்டின் வழியாக தெரிந்து கொள்ள ஆவலோடு காத்திருங்கள்.